Minsan may mga pagkakataon na parang nagmamadali tayo. Masyado tayong atat na gawin ng isang bagay. To the point na dahil sa sobrang pagmamadali natin, ay nakaligtaan na nating daanan ang isang importanteng bagay. Kaibigan, sa buhay, hindi naman natin kailangang makipag-unahan. Hindi naman natin kailangang makipagsiksikan at makipagkompetisyon sa iba. Dahil ang buhay ay hindi naman karera. Karamihan kasi sa atin, gusto palagi sila ang nauuna. Natatakot na malamangan. Masyadong nagmamadali. Kaya at the end of the day, silang nagmamadali, sila ang pagod.
In life, many things don't go according to plan. If you fall, get up. If you stumble, regain your balance. Laging tandaan, lahat ng pagsubok may dahilan. Lahat ng paghihirap may katapusan. Lahat ng problema may solusyon. Lahat ng pagbagsak may pagbangon. Wala tayong di kayang lampasan kapag Diyos ang ating sandalan. Basta huwag kalimutan, for every dark night, there's always a brighter day. Good morning.
I talk and laugh with everyone, but believe me, I can tell the difference between the real and the fake. In this world where appearances are often deceptive, I've learned to read between the lines. True friends, those you can count on, stand out through their actions, not just their words. They are there in the good times, but especially in the bad. They don't change color according to circumstances. Their loyalty doesn't waver with the wind. As for the fake ones, they are there for pleasure, for easy laughter, but they vanish as soon as things get tough. Their words may be sweet, but their actions reveal their true nature. They are like leaves in the wind, changing direction as soon as a new opportunity arises. So, even though I mingle with everyone, my heart remains cautious. I welcome everyone with a smile, but I only let those who have proven their sincerity into my intimate life. I cherish those rare pearls that stand out through their consistency and integrity. I am one who believes that quality outweighs quantity. I prefer to have a few true friends I can truly rely on, rather than a crowd of acquaintances with superficial friendships.
O nasa makasalanan pa tayong sitwasyon, tayo ay matatawag na dysfunctional o hindi tayo nakakagawa dun sa nais ng Panginoon na makita sa bawat isa sa atin. At ganito yung katayuan natin sa paningin ng ating Panginoon. Kapag tayo hindi nagsasabuhay sa mga turo, aral ng ating Panginoon Jesus.
You praise God in the storm. You praise God in the tears. You praise God in the trouble. Because it's when you're weak. That's